Nung namatay si Emma, nagbagong posisyon ko sa lahat. Wala namang makakabuhay pa sa anak ko. Mabuti pang wala nang madamay pa. Emma's already dead. Mabubuhay ko ba yung anak ko? So whatever happens now, to keep my daughter alive, I'll be kind to all of them. That way, my Emma lives. Kung babawian ko lahat ito, lahat ng mga narinig ko, never ending yan.
Ngayon yun, may feeling mo ngayon, before, after what happened to him, iba ba ang nararamdaman mo, iba yung ano?
Iba yung position mo.
Hindi, nagbago. Nung namatay si Emma, nagbagong posisyon ko sa lahat. Wala namang makakabuhay pa sa anak ko. Mabuti pang wala nang madamay pa. Ang motto ng anak ko, a little kindness. I'm a little kind to everyone. Doesn't take much. A little lang. When you do revenge, it's not kind.
Ang dami mo kasi na ano, sa mga parents na nawala ang anak. Pwede mo advice sa mga parents na iniiwan ng anak, hindi dahil sa namatay sila, kundi iniisan na ano sila. Na-abandon sila.
Ang design ng isang magulang ay pagpalaki ng bata. At yung batang yan, parang pana yan, like an arrow. The duty of the parent is to make the arrow as straight as possible, as accurate as possible, and to shoot the arrow up in the air and to go away as far as possible from the parent. Kung pangahawakan mo yung anak mo habang buhay, lalong masama because that's not the design of the parent. The design of the parent is to let go of the kids. Kung iniwanan ng anak ang magulang, ganun talaga yun. You cannot hold on to your kids because they will leave you. Their own lives. They'll have their own families. They'll have their wife or their husband. Kung pinanghimasukan mo, ginit mo pa yung sarili mo sa anak mong may asawa, masisira yung bagong pamilya ng anak mo eh. So again, tanggapin natin na ang design natin ay pakawalan sila. Ang payo ko naman sa mga anak, pag pinakawalan kayo ng inyong mga magulang, it's God's commandment also to honor your parents. How do you honor them? Pag kinailangan kayo emotionally or whatever way, dapat naman kayo sa kahit na sa malayo kayo, you still honor them and you support them. Not totally, in any way that you can na nakakalimutan. Yun yun. Ikaw talaga, iniba mo yung ano. Yung aim pa yun.